Welcome. Let me introduce the GearBrain. The GearBrain is the first compatibility find engine for smart devices. What's a compatibility find engine? A find engine is a unique platform designed to help users find particular devices based on a set of criteria. The criteria can be very specific. For example, let's say you want to find a smart LED light with a bulb type of A19 and works on a Wi-Fi connection. A find engine will help you find these devices quick and easily. A compatibility engine is the combination of a find engine and compatibility checker. It can assist you in finding specific smart devices that work with the connected devices you own or plan to buy. For example, let's say you're looking for smart locks that are satin nickel and work with your home security system. If you try searching for smart locks, satin nickel, compatible with your home security system, you're going to spend a fair amount of time reading through articles or watching videos about smart locks. With the GearBrain, just select the product criteria and we will find these devices which are compatible with your home security system. It's that simple. At GearBrain, we recognize the challenges consumers are having in trying to find smart devices that are compatible with the smart gadgets already in your home. Our mission is to make it easier for you to find and buy these smart devices. We will also help you manage these devices by allowing you to store vital product information like warranty information, setup guides, and owner's manuals for free in your very own MyGear section of the GearBrain. The GearBrain is free and easy to use. If you're looking for smart devices or own a bunch of smart devices and want to keep track of all your user manuals, setup guides, and warranty information in one location, use the GearBrain. Sign up today by clicking on the link below or just go to gearbrain.com and you can sign up for free. The GearBrain. It's your source for simplifying smart devices.